Maharaji, let's talk a little bit about Riyaz. Your Riyaz, my Dhyan, it's not much difference. So let me ask you the first question. When you dance, do you feel you are carrying memory or creating something new?
When I am dancing on stage, I am not Tribhuvan Maharaj, the person who's walking on the road. As soon as I cross that threshold of the wings and I come up on the stage and I see, I hear an applause and a stage, an audience full of people, something just switches off and another thing switches on. It's like two very subtle switches.
So you're not carrying memory because your memory is attached to Tribhuvan, the personality.
Yes.
So when you're dancing or when you're doing Riyaz, you're not carrying memory. Every moment you are actually creating something new then.
Absolutely. Every stage, every city, every country that calls me out to perform. I can't say that, okay, the experience here was similar to, when we went there. No. Every time, even in the same, if I'm being, suppose I'm being called to Indore or anywhere, any city, my last experience would be so much different from the experience this time. Some things would change. My entire ensemble of what I'm performing would change. My musicians would change. The entire environment would change. And the best part about this is you don't know what's going to happen. You don't know if it's going to be a great performance. You don't know if it's going to be, nothing up to, not up to the mark that you are thinking कि यार मुझे आज यहाँ आकर I had to do this. I will enthrall the audience and I will reside in their heart once I leave the stage and they'll always remember me. It's going to be that sort of performance. Many a times that has happened. Many a times I personally feel that I failed to achieve that. I feel, but I never received that sort of a review from the audience ever. But it's my honesty that I feel that मतलब कुछ रह गया, कुछ हो सकता था.
Challenging yourself is important as an artist because your competition is not with any other artist.
Right.
It is always with your best previous self, right?
Absolutely.
That's how I understood, and that's what I learned ever since my feet started moving at the age of 5.
Right.
So, Maharajji, yesterday when you were having dinner, you mentioned something to me that was very fascinating. You said that when you do riyas on your own, not in front of an audience, you do riyas in almost blind. You
Yes.
make the room absolutely dark.
Yes.
Can you tell me a little bit about this? Why? And what is the experience that, you have? What happens to you when you're in that moment? Because you just said when you're dancing, you dissolve into that nothingness, जिसको मैं परम आत्मा बोलती. अब like, ध्यानियों में हम परम आत्मा बोलते हैं. एक होती है आत्मा, एक होती है परम आत्मा, जिसको आप ईश्वर कहते हैं, जो आपने मुझे समझाया था. Please run me through that moment. Take me into that moment of Riyaz with you. I know you don't like Inpan going it there, but today I want to go sure.
Sure. It's sublime experience. In my entire career spanning, decades now, I only reached that stage maybe twice or thrice in my life.
Ooh.
Only twice or thrice. So yes, I rehearse in pitch darkness. I can't even see my hand. And there is one instrument we call tal mala. It's an electronic tabla. So because I don't want anybody or a live tabla person to be with me when I'm doing my riyaz.
You want to be
Absolutely alone in the dark.
alone is an important part of
Yes.
evolution for an artist.
Yes, because anything, for suppose you can say if you are sitting here with me and I'm trying to do my riyaz, some part of my brain or my conscious would be she's sitting there. This other person is sitting there. I should maybe do something and ask her if it's okay, or do something. In Riyaz, there are no opinions,
No judgment.
no judgment, no opinions. You don't want anybody to say इसको ऐसा करो, इसको कैसा करो. उसके लिए अलग समय होता है when you're in front of your guru and he is teaching you and you're learning. That's a different experience altogether. That's the learning experience.
That's the memory. You are still you.
Yeah,
You are still your identity.
absolutely.
In Riyaz, you have to lose.
In Riyaz, you have to do it. So what I do is I make my room absolutely pitch dark. There's a talmala playing. It's playing da din din na da din din na da, and the tone of it is very mechanical. So after a certain point of time, when I'm on, like, इसको कहते हैं रियाज की चरम सीमा, on the top of my रियाज and my feet are going and सोलापुर में हमारी तकार चल रही है. Twice or thrice in my life, I have experienced this, that the sound of the talmala and the sound of my khumru are in unison. They've become one. And that is the point, that the state of your body at that point is, your body has given up on it. आप इतना रियाज कर चुके हो कि आपके पैर उठने को राजी नहीं है. आप सिर्फ अपनी विल पर एंड सिर्फ अपने दिल से आप नाच रहे हैं, क्योंकि आपने इसको, पैरों को तो आपने एकदम निस्तो नाबूद जिसको बोला जाता है, खत्म कर चुके हो अपने पैर.
So it is very similar to what we experience in the state of surrender. After we experience, Satori, it doesn't happen. Like for me, it's since 2016 when I actually got into deeper meditation. I have experienced Satori state only maybe 3 times. Like in 4 years.
So we have a very similar experience regarding uniting with the one.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, like I said, Paramatma, जिसको आप ईश्वर कहते हो. So basically, the real riyaz, the real connection with spirit only begins, the real journey begins after total surrender, which is what you're saying. And your body gives up.
एंड भगवान आपको रोज नहीं मिल सकते.
नहीं.
वो आपको रोज नहीं मिलेंगे. वो पूरे सृष्टि को चाह रहे हैं, उनके पास रोज आपसे मिलने का समय भी नहीं होगा.
Unless आप खुद में खोज लो.
Unless आप खुद में खोज लो, that's a whole different perspective, I would say. But रियाज के पर्सपेक्टिव से मैंने ओमकार की ध्वनि अपने घुंघरुओं से सुनी. वो पीछे तालमाला चल रहा है, आगे घुंघरू चल रहे हैं, इनका साउंड एक दूसरे में मिशमैश हो चुका है. वो मिशमैश हो चुका है और आपका शरीर जवाब दे चुका है. आप परमात्मा के चरण में बैठे हुए हो कि अब मुझे बचा लीजिए, नहीं तो मैं खत्म हो जाएगा शरीर.
फिर भी चल रही.
फिर भी चल रहा है, just on the will, and that is when you meet. That is when you meet, and that meeting has only happened वही 2 or 3 times.
Yeah, it is.
2 or 3 times.
No, it's enough. I think it's enough. Because I often see, आप अंधेरे रास्ते से जा रहे हो और बिजली चमकी. 1 सेकंड के लिए चमकी, लेकिन जो उस बिजली के चमकने में आपने देख लिया,
जी,
वो तो अंधेरे के बाद भी आप भूल नहीं सकते.
absolutely, because if you have experienced and you have seen the lightning fall once, you have seen it once, but will forever be in your heart, in your memory, in your atma, वो engrain हो जाता है. So even if I say that while doing my रियाज, बहुत कम ऐसा होता है कि मैं उस धुनी, जिसको धुनी रमाना बोलते हैं, आप धुनी में रम जाते हो. धुनी रमती है, जैसे हम लोग होते हैं राग, रसोई और पागड़ी, ये कभी कभी बनती है. The singers, you ask any singer, he'll not say कि I always sing well, मैं हमेशा अच्छा गाता हूँ. राग का एक समय, एक हिसाब होता है, वो कभी कभी सुंदर ऐसा बनता है कि आपको मन ही नहीं होता है कि आप गाना बंद करें. रसोई, खाना हमेशा अच्छा नहीं पकता. इवन द बेस्ट शेफ्स, दे मेक मिस्टेक्स, एंड कभी वो लगता है खाना ये क्या है, मतलब वही परसों जो है वो अगले दिन खाना लाजवाब लजीज बना रहा है, उसी के अगले दिन अरे ये क्या है, इसमें नमक की कमी, ये है वो है. और पागड़ी, हम राजस्थान में हैं इस वक्त.
हाँ.
पगड़ी हमेशा अच्छी नहीं बनती, सधे हुए हाथों से भी हमेशा अच्छी नहीं बनती. कभी कभी देन यू हैव टू अनडू इट अगेन, रीडू इट अगेन. तो राग, रसोई और पागड़ी,
राग, रसोई, पागड़ी
कभी कभी अच्छी भाई.
कभी कभी अच्छी बनती. क्या बात है, कितनी खूबसूरत बात करी आप.